Monopoly Go airplane mode after the latest update. So here the latest update of the Monopoly Go is rolling out, in which you will not be able to use Monopoly Go application if you turn on your airplane mode. Let me show you what type of error you are going to get over here. So if I swipe down and if I turn on my flight mode or the airplane mode, you will notice that my Wi-Fi and my mobile data is now off. Now over here, if I tap on the go button, my dices are rolling, and let's see how many rolls it gives us. So it was 2, now it is 3, this was 4, this was 5, this was 6. So basically, when you try to roll over here, when you turned on your airplane mode, you are going to get the problem that says the no internet pop-up. So over here, in order to fix this issue, what you can do is you can simply open your Google Play Store or App Store, and here in the search bar, you simply need to search for VPN. Over here, you just have to download any of the VPNs that you want, but before that you just have to turn on your Wi-Fi or your mobile internet connection. So let me just quickly do it. So after doing this, you just have to use your search bar, and in the search bar you simply need to search for the VPN. Once done, you will be able to find various types of VPNs over here, but among these you just have to select any of the free VPNs that you see over here. Let's say I have selected this secure VPN. So over here you just have to tap on it, and you will have to download and install any of the free VPNs from Google Play Store or App Store. After that, you just have to connect your location other than your own location. So basically, for each and every location you are going to get 6 or 7 roles in Monopoly Go. So as you can see that this is the VPN that I'm currently using, and if I show you that how it is work, so let me just wait for some time. So now you just have to tap on the connect button and then press OK, and then it will take some time and it will connect your VPN, as you can see in the top. After connecting the VPN, you just have to simply launch your Monopoly Go application, and now you just have to swipe down and turn on this flight mode over here. Then you just have to tap on the go button, and then you will notice that the airplane mode is now fixed. Even after the latest update, you will be able to easily use it. So I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.